Guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. This video we are going to do a hard reset on the Uconnect system of Chryslers, Dodges, Jeeps, and this is going to be a factory reset. It's going to restore the system to factory settings, and it's going to wipe out all your resets. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to have your car in the run position, which is with your or the lights in your dash being on, but your car's not going to start. The engine's going to be off. It's going to be that one selection before the crank. So all the lights on your dash are going to be on, but your engine's not going to be running. All right. So at that point, obviously you're going to be in park. But at that point, you're going to press the hot and cold up and down buttons together at the same time for at least 5 seconds. All right. You're going to scroll through the menu that pops up and select the choice, prompting you to reset factory defaults. All right. Once you select that option, you're going to wait 30 seconds till the system reboots. All right. At that point, you can turn your car off, turn it back on, and your Uconnect system will be reset to the factory settings, and the hard reset will be complete at that point. If you guys have any comments, please leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff for you guys. Take care.